Hi everyone, and welcome to another quick update with Jeff Underwood, personal finance coach and licensed mortgage professional. Hey, I want to talk today about the tax credit extension, or the confusion that surrounds the extension that took place. So let's talk about this real quick. I was watching the news yesterday and an economist on TV said, oh, this is great news, they've extended the tax credit, it's going to help a lot more people get into homes in America, this is fantastic. Then he was very quickly corrected by another panel member that said, well, really all they've done is extend the close of escrow time. So let's get this straight. The tax credit itself is not extended. However, if you're already under contract from April or before, and you are getting the tax credit back then, or you have at least put a contract in before the tax credit expiration date took place, which was the end of April, then all they've done now is lengthen the time frame that you have to close, because you were supposed to close by June 30th, and many lenders couldn't get the job done by then, and contracts were not negotiated yet by then, or finalized, whatever the case is. There were issues to close by that time frame. So they've lengthened that out to September 30th. So now, as long as you have a contract in place still from back in April or before, that just means that you still have an opportunity to get the tax credit, because you were already under contract from back then. It does not mean that anybody can go out and write a new contract today and get the tax credit. That's not what it's for. So just wanted to clarify that. Make sure you get this out to friends, family, coworkers so they understand as well. I also want to talk about licensing for loan officers, and this is going to be pertaining to Arizona, and why this could cost you your purchase transaction, or this could cost you, a real estate agent, your transaction with your client. Here's why. Currently, there's only about 1,700, actually just under 1,700 licensed professionals that actually made it in time for the deadline. July 1st is when we're all supposed to be licensed. Here's our thoughts. 2 years ago, we thought there would be about 15,000 people go through the licensing process. Today, less than 1,700 have actually completed the process. So there are going to be a lot of loan officers still out there that are in this role of helping you find the best loan for you. However, they may not have a license in place, which means here's how you might lose a transaction or lose this purchase deal or lose your house is, if there's no incentive for them because they're not going to get paid going forward, then how are they going to do trying to get your transaction done in the environment that we're in? Something to ponder. Make sure that you ask your loan officer or the person that you're working with, are you licensed? Have you completed it? Do you have the license in your hand? Have a great holiday weekend. Please be safe. Take care, and I will talk to you real soon.